had to wake you up because you guys want to walk towards you there.
Holy shit.
Sorry to wake you up, but yeah, he was walking right at you.
Wow.
Hey, how's it going, buddy?
Holy shit. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, we just seen him walking up on you.
Bear! Yeah. Holy shit.
I spotted a bug because I looked this way. I'm like,
Jesus.
oh, hey, there's a friend. And then suddenly
He's alright.
Like, okay, we gotta wake him up.
Jesus.
You're alright. Don't worry about them. You're alright.
What are you doing there, bud? Get out of here.
Well, don't go that way. You're okay. Yeah, you're alright.
You guys got a light, bro?
He's a big boy, eh?
Yeah, he's a big boy. Fuck, thanks, guys. Jesus Christ.
Get a come snuggle with you.
Right, yeah. He's a good boy, but I don't want to wake up to that, though. Fuck, I jump. Yeah.
Jump and scare the thing, yeah.
Right?
Yeah. He seems pretty chill, though, eh? Well, they're just afraid of us as we are with them.
Big yawn he's got, yeah.
Okay, buddy.
Everybody likes to enjoy a sunny day. He's alright. He's alright. Yeah, he's alright. I'll just put this table here between us. Yeah, there we go. There you go. Just another Lake Cowichan resident.
Yep. Beautiful boy. Yeah.
Fucking cold in the water, you think, wouldn't you?
I just want a picture. No. This Mountain broccoli, it's good for your gastronomical.
Is it an idea?
Yeah, I did.
Probably hungry. Where is he?
Right there. He's just sitting there. Hi,
You
baby.
hey, buddy? You enjoying the water? A little cold, isn't it?
Oh, baby, it was funny. Oh, fuck, he's gonna have bad gas now.
You're gonna get lots of hair on you.